So hello my children, how are you all? So today we are going to continue exercise 4 second part, that is divide using shortcut method. So you all must be wondering what is this shortcut method. Yeah, it is really a shortcut method when you have to divide any number by the multiples of 10. So what it is? See the first question, 4367 divided by 40. So in this number 4367 divided by 40, you are going to drop the ones digit at ones place from the divisor and the dividend, that is 0 and 7 will be dropped. So when we are going to divide 436 by 4. So divided, 4 ones are 4, 0, bring this 3 down, this will not go by 4, so we will carry this 6 again. So when we bring 2 digit down, we are going to put 0. So 36 will go by 9, 4 9s are 36. Now 0 is remainder. So what is your answer, final answer? Quotient is your 109, remainder is your 7. Now why 7? When we divided this number, we dropped 7. So whenever we write the remainder, this 7 will be put at the ones place and your divisor is 40. Now let's see the second question, 7 8 7 8 60. When we divide, we are going to divide 787 by 6. We have dropped 8, that is which is at ones place, and 0 which is at ones place. So when we divide it, we get 1 as a remainder. Okay. Now 1 we has already got after dividing it, and one number which is already left. So when we write it 7878 divided by 60, we get quotient as 131 and your remainder will be 18. See 1 हमको यहाँ पे मिला सब्ट्रैक्ट करके, और जो 8 हमने यहाँ पे ड्रॉप कर दिया था उसको हमने यहाँ पे ones place पे लगाया remainder के. So your remainder is now 18. You can write this in any format, either in this form or in this form. So the third question is 9202 divided by 90. Again we will drop 0 and 2 which is at ones place. We are going to divide 920 by 9. When we divide, we get 2 as a remainder. So what is our final answer? 9202 divided by 9. Quotient is your 102 and your remainder will be 2 is already here, and this 2 which we drop will be written here at ones place of the remainder. So your remainder will be 22. So this is what your shortcut method is. Okay, I hope you people have understood. I have given one question for you to do it yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day.